Welcome people, welcome back. You don't know sir, yeah, the ENT. Yeah man, I'm there with another video. This man live abroad. Very angry at him sister. For stealing or taking or rob him off quote 1 million Jamaican dollar. Not talk too long, just watch the video.
That one on him continue. Yeah man, if you did watch the video before the full white, I mean same one, continue me and continue. Yeah, me I tell you about the sister Winsome. Yeah. So me I say no to the people them that stand by. You don't tell me where me should do. And to the people them that watch the video. Up there, saying bless our family. See? You don't tell me where me should do. My sister will be send so much money on you. You spend off it, all of me money. Every dollar. You collect partner for 600,000. You spend it off. Me send 150,000 come give you for put on. You spend it off. You collect 2 years worth of rent. You spend it off. You want to tell me now, say me are the only source. Me are the only one where I have the whole lady back. If the whole lady eyes should close. Me are the only one who know that. Me take care of every brother picnic. Every sister people, me are the only one. And you know the fact of the man that said, you really spend off all of my money. All of my money you spend off. You couldn't even left say you save you want 500,000 for me. I even want 1 million put on one side. You spend off everything. Come on.
Yo, some people
Jamaica family, you have nobody else. So put the whole lady eye close. People now pick up money at foreign country. See me? So me I say anyone who watch this, you tell me what you would have do. You understand me? You tell me what you would have do, friend, because I don't like these people don't know what time it is.
Well, when I get back my money, you know, when I get back my money, start.
What time it is. And you still take
I'm
my
hard
money.
to walk past
And you
$1.
did it before. You did it before, I will say let the bygones be bygones. Let's bygone the bygones and start fresh. The whole year is sick. And we have to come together and
This matter about his mother.
all the money there, which are
I see
every
the mother.
money there. And every money me send come. Every business you make, you
grandmother.
give the house and say control that. You want a shot gear for yourself that a year one, and you still spend off all of my money in Jamaica. So if me know some shit up now, me should come to Jamaica now. You don't have a dollar. Look how much you have in the bank book right now. 21,000 Jamaican dollar. Where the fuck that can do? When that can do after me send you so much money, family. This is what me I tell you about Jamaicans. So when you know say people are foreign version, people now pick up nothing. And that's why people at Jamaica.
And I really are Jamaican, they are from Jamaica, they are good people, you know, but some of them
every
wicked,
time
you know, man.
we try to reach out to them as foreigners, who not take us for granted and feast of people and shake tree. Watch out, let me show you something. Turn the camera on us. Turn the camera on us. See that? A natural tree, them are not serious shake our money to. Them are natural blood clots. And you should get off by life when you're there to make a green leaf and a shake and shake. You shake your leaf.
Yeah,
So
man.
you tell me now. You see me? But the one thing me I tell you now. When I have to give me my money, I will not go see me less than all me is. Look here, what I want to do. That me I try to tell you. Look here, what I want to do. You will not go see me less than all me is. I say to all the people them who watch this, no matter what, 26th of August, which is not the Saturday, the following Saturday coming. It's my birthday at JCA.
So people, we're gonna stop the video right there, so. Boy, and sister that want wicked Peter sister. I don't know where I get that sister there from. Boy, I'm not forget back my money car. Watching on the money we matter about and I use the money right now. Because right now you can't walk past $1 and I real talking. So we should do a really wickedness dog and she really need to give the man back his money, like, or even if you take her to court or something, but I do in family and stuff, but that just it couldn't work for me. It couldn't work with me like that. So I just some use there. I go any video you say don't know want to like, subscribe and share. Yeah man, I know I say anything I do it for the love. Yeah man.